Black holes are some of the strangest and most fascinating objects in outer space. Supermassive black holes are everywhere. So, what is a black hole? A black hole is a region of space time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles, or even electromagnetic radiation such as light can escape from it. This video was released by NASA in 2014, which is about how two black holes are merging into one. The strong gravity occurs because matter has been pressed into a tiny space. This compression can take place at the end of a star's life. Some black holes are a result of dying stars. Black holes are invisible because no light can escape. However, space telescopes with special instruments can help find black holes. What is inside a black hole? No one knows exactly what lies within a black hole's event horizon. Some physicists hypothesize that matter inside is so compressed that it forms a point of infinite density known as a singularity. In this view, a black hole can be thought of as empty space with its mass concentrated at an infinitesimal point in the center. The Hubble telescope found that the mass of these black holes hidden away in galactic cores is linked to the mass of the host galaxy. In 2018, Hubble unveiled that the best view of close pairs of giant black holes in the act of merging together to form mega black holes. How big are black holes? Holes can be big or small. Scientists think that the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny but have the mass of a large mountain. Another kind of black hole is called stellar. Its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the Sun. How do black holes form? Stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself or collapses. When this happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star. This video was released by NASA, How Black Hole Jets Regulate Star Birth. If black holes are black, how do scientists know they are there? When a black hole and a star are close together, high energy light is made. This kind of light cannot be seen with human eyes. So, scientists use satellites and telescopes in space to see high energy light. This video shows how gravitational wave kicks monster black hole out of galactic core. Could a black hole destroy Earth? Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. This video shows how black holes growing in colliding galaxies. In 2020, Nobel Prize in Physics awarded to 3 scientists for work on black holes. The Prize was awarded half to Roger Penrose for showing how black holes could form and half to Reinhard Genzel and Andrea for discovering a supermassive object at the Milky Way's center. A Chandra Observatory image of Cygnus X1, which was the first strong black hole candidate discovered. How is NASA studying black holes? NASA is using satellites and telescopes that are traveling in space to learn more about black holes. These spacecraft help scientists answer questions about the universe. This video shows NASA's mesmerizing new black hole visualization. This video shows the simulation of gravitational lensing by a black hole, which distorts the image of a galaxy in the background. Thank you for watching this.